see me. Quickly. I tapped out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm back in the game. Hi. Okay, let me not tap out again, please. Be right back. Fab. I just can't do it. I can't be quiet. Like, I could have lost my voice completely and I'll still find a way to be chatting. Oh. There's a ball. Guide the ball to the designated area. Oh, okay.
Yep.
Did I win? I think I just won. Wow. Esports. Oh, no. I need to get it right at the end. Okay, yep. Okay. You ready? You ready? Oh, I don't think that's close enough. No, it's not. Damn. Do I have to do it? Oh, no. Shit, oops. I wish we could spend our fishy gold. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? When you guys hit the pokies again. True, I need to do a little bit of gamba before we end stream. Oh, I did it way too late. I gotta do it right at the end. My brain's just not keeping up with my hands. Okay. That one surely. Wait. Oh, that's an angle. Good. Okay. Yay. Brain's starting out the ears. It's done. I want sleep. I am done. My throaty hurt. I got star. Yippee. Okay. She gonna rob other people's gold. Virtual, of course. Naturally, of course. Wink. Wait. Let me wait. Hang on. Winking's hard. Wait. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. I should eat right now. Yeah, no, we're about to end. Don't worry. I'm gonna get all these, and then we're gonna do a little bit of gamba. First, I'm gonna murder this man and take all of his money. In game, of course. Okay. Oh. Now we should have some of these. Claim all. Claim all. And claim all. We should have quite a bit of money, right? Mirror level. Inject yourself with coffee, so true. How could we have not thought of this? And then we're gonna go store. Still the right. No. Diamond. Yeah, we go. We can only afford 3. Oh my god. They're rough. Then residence. Oh, I got a kappa. I only have. Oh my god, I can't do a full temple. That's so infuriating. I need 2 more. I hate that. Okay, we're gonna do single pulls then. Yeah, I have 49 out of 50 of just all the free shit. And the only thing I don't have is this dress. That's the only thing I don't have. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna keep doing singles. Fuck, we're poor. Yeah, we are. What did I get? Ew. I'm so sick of this fuck ass outfit. Okay, skip. I mean, they're cute, but I don't want them. Skip. I have these socks, they're very cute.